Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can receive as well as send friend requests in Overwatch 2. So first and foremost, you want to head over to social. Social is going to be this one where you can see two humanoid icons. Click on that, and over here you can click on add friends, and then you can add friends like that. Now for example, if you do get a friend request, you're gonna have another tab over here named invitation. Currently I've got no friend requests, which is why there is no tab such as that, but normally you will have a tab like that. And when you do have a tab like that, what you want to do is click on that tab and then basically accept the friend request. There's going to be a tick and then there's going to be a cross. If you click on the tick mark, you're going to accept the friend request. If you click on the cross, you're not going to accept the friend request. And over here you can either enter their email address or you can enter their battle tag. Now their battle tag is going to be this one. So as if you don't know what your battle tag is, just hover your cursor over your name and that's going to tell you your battle tag. And that's about it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.